welcome back to my channel. This week's video is sort of a continuation from last week's because it's focusing on the same old book, which is called A Man Called Ove. And this week I have made a little book for like the characters and the scenes because I'm officially obsessed with this story. And the zine, or actually this little book as I call it, is what I've learned from like art workshop in our school, and I thought this sort of style and bookmaking technique was so interesting, and it just would work really well with the sort of imagination that I had in my mind about the scenes in the book. And most importantly, because there are quite a lot of pages, you know, it's always quite overwhelming to think about how detailed you need to draw for each frame and for each pages, but ultimately it's important for you to just draw freely and not care about the details. Welcome to my scrap paper. Basically we used A2 paper, so it's pretty big, and I'm just gonna draw it like that. And then you're supposed to fold it half this way, and fold it into 16 different grids, like that. And then what you're supposed to do is to start from the middle, and then you cut. Not start from the middle, you're supposed to cut from the outside. So you go like this way, this way, this way, and this way, and it will be broken up apart. And then you fold it basically from here to here, and until you get just one square in the end. And that's why like some of the pages flips this way, and why some of them flips this way. So yeah, thank you so much for being here. I really hope you are inspired. And this is not the best work I've ever done, but I did have a lot of fun doing this and not caring about how good my drawings were. Also, just an update from last week's video, I didn't organize sort of the tags according to the themes, which is what I've done in the past week. And I have changed all of my blue tags into 3 colors, which is blue, green, and yellow. So I kind of just wanted to show you that. And that is sort of my complete notes for the book. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you're enjoying my shorter videos. I think most of my videos in the future now are going to be around this length. So there's that. I will see you next week. Bye.